So good afternoon, everyone. So I'm back with the new problem that is the problem of solution of a problem that is reverse integer. So basically, I will be solving it in a by using a language that is Python. So So I will be So let's begin. So first of all, according to the question, it has been said that if it's a very easy program problem that is we have just have to reverse the integer, but reverse integer as we all know if anyone user is inputting the input the value if user inputs a value that is 1 to 3, the output will be 3 to 1, and but there is one constant that if the user inputs the value that falls out of the range of signed 32-bit integer, like we can see, if any value that falls out of this range, then we just have to return the zero. So will not take much time, and basically I will not use basically I will try to make you understand in a very much clear and a better way, so you can able to code whatever language you prefer. So let's begin. So basically if the input is, you can see, if the input is 1 to 3, I will just have to print 3 to 1, and if the input is -1 to 3, I will just have to print minus. And consent is if the input falls out of the range signed 3220, then just return 0. Then just return 0. So this is our program. So so basically when I'm in user inputs -1 to 3, and if that input falls under this this condition, then we're directly printing we're directly returning 0, means if x equals to 0 or x greater than 31 minus 1 or x less than -2, that means this is n 32-bit integer. If that input falls under n 32-bit integer, then we're directly returning 0. This code ends. And then if else x greater than 0, so let's check x equal to 3, x greater than 0, false, because -1 to 3 is less than 0. So we'll come to else statement now. H1 will hold the con- this will be string value, that is -1 to 3, and we all know that all the keywords, all the keyboard entries or the data keyboards keys are strings by default, characters by default. So it will able to convert any string, any keys that is present in keyboard in integer, but conversion of integer to string is different. So will not just say many things about it because it will become much more confusing to your mind. So just listen that if we are if we are conversion, this is the function. Uh, this is the function by which we convert. You can say this is the function by which we convert integer to string or anything to a string, str of x. So it will convert a string like this. So now h2, what h2 will do, h2 will just partition off or slice out from index 1 to length of s1. So here length of s1 is the length of h1 was 3, and yeah, length of h1 was 3. Sorry, length of h1 was 4, and we are just retrieving out the from index 1 to length of s1, and we all know that the value the we will just retrieve out the value from the starting position till the end minus 1. The end minus 1 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 1 to 3. So in 1 to 3, you can see you have value 1 to 3. So we directly in H2 we will store the value 1 to 3. This I am doing, we will able to understand that if how I am changing the minus, I am using means how according to the code I am doing this. You will be able to understand by doing it regular practice of this thing. Then we are just calling a function that is sum, and we are passing by changing the string into integer, that is sum of int of a string means we are passing sum of, we are passing this value, that is we are calling a function sum and passing 1 to 3. So directly controller move here, value that is passed is 1 to 3. Now is equal to 0, and if it's while executing this while statement I'm executing just to uh, reverse an integer. First, while is greater than while x is greater than 0, that's true, and we are just showing the remainder, that is here r equals to here as well as 1 to 3 mod 10 will give you a return with the last digit of an integer, that is 3. 1 to 3, then the last the last digit will always be get print. If we are modding with 10 means if you are x mod 10 using a modulo function, with any modulo function with the 10, then it will just print the last digit of an integer 3. Then just try to remember that if we are using modulo function and we are just we, we are just x mod 10, we are just doing x mod 10, and we just evaluating that is x mod 10, then it will just print the last digit. So then 3, then we are just storing the sum of it. How we are storing the sum, that is s into 10 plus r. S, the value of s is 0, to 0 into 10, that is 0 plus 3. The at first execution of while s will be 3, and at last we are updating the value of x by printing out portion, int portion, not in a decimal, so it will become 1 2. So again we check our while statement while x greater than 0. Yeah, again it's satisfied, that is greater than 0. Now again 12 mod 10, 12 mod 10, the value will be the last integer, uh, will retrieve the last integer, that is 2. So at second execution our r value will be 2, and is equal to s mod 10 plus r. That means our s value was 3 at second execution of while. So 3 into 10 plus 10 plus r value was 2 into 10, 30 plus 2, that is 32. So we are again updating the value of x, that is 1 to mod 10. It will just uh, result in 1, and let's again check our while statement. While 1 greater than 0, yeah, is stuck in. So yeah, if 1 greater than 0, it's true, and if 1 mod 10, that will, as 1 is the last integer, so we will just as it will just return the output result as 1 only. So s equal to as s holding the as was holding the value, that is 32, and 32 into 10 plus r, that is r was 1. So 32 into 10, 320 plus 1 is 3 to 1, and at last we will update the value of x, that is one mod, one mod, one mod, one. I will find the question that is one divided by 10, that will return 0. And so it's 0. Let's again check our while statement. 0 greater than 0, it will become false. False now. If s greater than 2 to power 30. Now we will check that if the s, because at last our s value is this one, and then while they will satisfied after that, we will check if 3 to 1 is greater than 2 to power 31 minus no. As we know that in or operator, if any one of the condition is true, then we don't have to check for others. From false, so it will directly return is, directly return is means to one it will return, and our s3 will have the value, that is, after calling the function name, our s3 will have the value that is 3 to 1. So as we have 3 to 1, now we will again concatenate concatenate and convert the integer into string, and then we'll like how, just see, minus plus string of 3 to 1 minus 3 to 1. So we are just making our value like this, minus 3 to 1, and at last we are just printing the h2 by converting it into integer, right? So here we will at last we print 3 to 1. So this is our overall way. I hope I have able to make understand in a better way. So let's check in the, this is the easiest code. Let's check in the editor. So this was our code, you can see. So if we are executing minus 1 to 3, the output is minus 3 to 1. I hope I am able to run our code. So let's see everything that passes easily. All the test case, if you are submitting our code. So you can see that it takes just 31 milliseconds. And one more thing, this code is taking just off in time to reverse, uh, reverse our to reverse an integer. So yeah, that just be tuned for my next video. So thank you.